Body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, if you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady, you ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go that.
Now connected to Tamia phone.
I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture.
Cardi's bumping, Molly's stomping.
Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video with me. If you're new here, my name is Theofficialtamyacalese, and if you're not already, I need for you to like, comment, and subscribe, and I need you to turn on your post notifications so that you know every time I post.
Tell him I need my bitch, she a rider. Got a shooter and I got a driver. And when that heat, I'm the only provider.
So we are about to go into the new month. It is currently August 30th, and I want to do a monthly reset. So that includes my maintenance, you know, step into the new month brand new. Yesterday I just did my hair, my first ever install on myself. Well, it's a reinstall. Came out super freaking cute. Today I am doing my nails, so you guys are gonna come along with me, because these, if you know me, you know that this is killing me right now. Even having short nails is killing me, so we're gonna correct that. Also, me and my sister found the viral TikTok dumpling things that everybody was going crazy for with the I think it was in Dollar Tree, the Dollar Tree dumplings. It's like chicken, vegetables, whatever. We're gonna try that today. And my sister is being annoying. She doesn't want to be on camera today because she says she feels ugly because she doesn't have her hair done nor her lashes. When, girl, me too, like my eyelashes look crazy. And I told her just install her own wig, because if I could do it, she could do it. So we have a boat ride to go to, so we both definitely need to look good for that. And then this weekend is also Labor Day weekend, so honestly I feel like this vlog is going to be everywhere because I have so much content that I could record and that I'm going to record. But we're going to title it monthly reset, because also we're going to get ourselves together, we're going to plan out our month, you know. Like, I feel like I need organization in my life, because me, I'm so unorganized, like as far as with my scheduling, my sleep pattern, my everything. I just want to get back to, you know, a more better structure. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Tomorrow I want to start doing like different content for you guys. So I was thinking about doing like a chit chat, get to know me while I do my makeup. So I might do that, because I feel like you guys need to know me better. Like, yeah, y'all know of me, but y'all don't know about me. Like, y'all don't know my birthday, my age, and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna do a sit down makeup tutorial, chit chat, my everyday makeup. This is my everyday makeup. It's not every day because I don't wear makeup every day, but it's my everyday because this is my go-to look. Like, it's just you know, gives every time. But yeah, y'all, I need for you guys to comment down below what videos you guys want to see next. I know y'all said pranks on my family, so I'm definitely gonna do that, but I just don't know what pranks, because my family, they're not as gullible as y'all think, because I joke so much. They never, it's like the boy that cried wolf, like they always think that I'm playing every single time. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm definitely gonna look into that. You guys, I need for you guys to DM me, because if y'all comment it down below, matter of fact, comment it down below, but also DM me the very good ones, because I'm going to pick in, you know. And also my family watches YouTube. That's the only reason why I said I need for y'all to DM me. Follow me and DM me on Instagram. My Instagram is down in the description box, so give me some ideas on what pranks. But other than pranks, what do you guys want to see on this channel? Like I do weekly vlogs, I do maintenance, but I just don't know what else. Maybe I could do like visual diaries. But I need for y'all to tell me, just so that I could, like, you know, be confirmed on like what y'all want to see, because I'm not just doing it for myself, I'm doing it for y'all. So you guys definitely have to let me know what y'all want to see. But yeah, y'all, let me know how y'all like my hair in the comments. Like, I really did that. Like, first install wear, or second install wear, period. And then y'all, oh my god, I forgot to tell y'all. So this hair company reached out to me and they asked me to do promo for them. But the thing is, usually I have my hairstylist, I'm gonna put her Instagram right here, y'all go book her, period. Usually I have my hairstylist do my hair, my installs, and then I record it on TikTok. But this hair company got spicy and wants me to install it myself, and they want me to post it on YouTube, like post me step by step what I do for an install. But it's like, I'm not as good as I think. Like I'm probably gonna ask my hairstylist to customize it first, like pluck it and all that stuff and bleach it, because y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't. So y'all just pray for me. I'm gonna do my research, you know, watch a couple of videos just like I did this one, if I could do this. But the thing is, this one was already customized because it was a reinstall, so it was like I just slapped it on my head. This one I gotta do it from scratch, so I'm just like fake panicking. But yeah, y'all, I had to come on here and vent to y'all, because that was just like what I'm gonna do. So I don't know. I have a couple of wigs, wig promos that I have to do for a couple of hair companies. So I'm probably gonna do a wig install in this vlog. But yeah, y'all, and we're also gonna do the spicy noodle challenge. Not spicy noodle challenge, spicy noodle video review. What do you call that? Spicy noodle. I'm probably gonna record that on my TikTok, so if you want to see that, go to my description down below, go to my TikTok, and you can catch my reaction. Or you could just go on my sister's YouTube, because she's also gonna be recording that. But yeah, y'all, I'll see you guys when I get to my sister's house.
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. No sense, this is urgent. Trying to make some similar change. Got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of a wink. He was holding me. Choose the right, but it will be up in front of me. On the wall, I leave my feelings. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside, good. Hold me on.
I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind.
What I found today, we're going to try the viral Dollar Tree dumplings. Now, my sister is being annoying. She doesn't want to be in the video, but she's here with me, going to taste it with me. So we're about to season it and all that stuff, and then yeah. These are all the ingredients that we picked up from the store. What is this? Sriracha, soy sauce, and sweet chili. Now, I don't like spice, but I'm gonna have to, you know. And then it comes with this. I also have green onion. I'm about to try the sriracha because I'm scared. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and season it. I put this in the microwave for a minute. That's the whole thing, right? I'm not putting sriracha on all of them. I'm just gonna put them on 2. Just so we could try it. Why is it coming out like that? Why does this want to be so stupid? Y'all ever seen something come out so hard? And then green onion. I'm just making a mess, y'all. Just wait that. My sister's helping me. Alright. Yeah, try. I'm trying with sriracha. Which one answer this one? Yeah. Y'all, I'm scared. I don't like spicy. And I don't like Dollar Tree food either. So you gotta put the whole thing in your mouth. The whole thing? But you don't just bite it. The whole thing. I'm ready? 1, 2. Dollar Tree. I'm gonna try it without the sriracha. Alright, y'all, I give this a 10 out of 10. Run that wall. Y'all, so I just finished my nails, but look at how cute my sister is. So when we went on the dolphin thing, they took pictures of us, and let me show y'all. Look at how freaking cute. Aww, right on her little thing. It's me. Hey you guys, so I am currently about to get some content in. I have a couple of videos I have to do today before I start getting ready for this boat ride. It's pretty late in the day right now. It's basically 4 o'clock, so 3:56, and I'm gonna squeeze this content in while I can, so you guys are gonna see the behind the scene. I have to do a promo video for this company. It's like boob tape, so yeah, y'all gonna watch me, well, the behind the scenes of that content creating. But yeah, y'all, for the most part, I really didn't do anything today. I just laid in bed all day, watched Netflix, you know, showered, ate, all that good stuff, because I am going out later tonight, so I had to retain my energy. But y'all, look at my nails. Like, one thing about my sister is that she gonna eat every time. Like, be for real, she gonna eat every time. Y'all need to go and book her up. I'm gonna keep saying it, I'm gonna keep screaming it, I'm gonna keep, you know, promoting my sister, because that's my sister and she's a goat. Like, I know y'all see that. Let me get into this content before time speeds up on me. I know we gotta leave by 8 o'clock, so I'm gonna do this content and then start getting ready as soon as. Matter of fact, I'm probably gonna eat something because I only had a small breakfast. I had toast with bacon, so I'm starving. I'm gonna eat and then head out. We'll start getting ready to head out. Y'all, my eyelashes are screaming. I get my lashes done on Tuesday, so baby girl, hurry up Tuesday, hurry up. Y'all, one thing for sure, I gotta invest in a better selfie tripod for my phone and my camera. I want a bigger one for my camera. I have this one I got off Amazon, and honestly it does the job, but it could be better. So of course I had to come through for the girls. Like, I have to make sure y'all straight, as well as, you know, provide y'all with the true raw uncut, you know, review on some Amazon products. Let me tell y'all, like, something about promo just like soothes my heart. Like, I love to create content. Like, this honestly is my passion. Like, if y'all know, since I was young, I was in love with taking pictures and, like, you know, being cute. So just to like promote people's businesses and products and stuff like that, and still create a relationship with people just off of, you know, promoting and like communicating and talking, I just love it. Like, something about it, it's not even just for money, it's more so like I'm helping, you know, I'm helping spread out people's brands and all different types of stuff. Like I said, it is 4 o'clock and I gotta wait. I mean, we're leaving at like 8, 9, 10, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do right now. I'm kind of hungry, so I might order food. Matter of fact, I'm tired of outside food, so I'm not gonna be ordering food. I'm just going to whip up something really quick. Y'all, so I just beat my face and got ready to go out. This is my makeup. Super glowy, super dewy. Let me show you guys my face. So I just threw on this top and then the pants. Oh, me. Okay, I'm coming. Say hi.
Don't block me.
Say hi.
You know what the fuck going on? No.
Okay. The ghetto. Disgusting. Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming. And then I threw on the pants that I got from Ross, and then my Rick Owens. Rushing, so I'll see you guys when we get to the spot. Well, the boat.
This is what I do. Never that Saturday. Never that Saturday. I turn up different. Never that Saturday. Bring the front left on your night. You know what? I just wanna live this feeling only. I just wanna drink a party only. Spark!
Hey you guys, so this is actually like a couple of days later, like probably like 3, 4, 5 days later. Like I said before, it was Labor Day, so I actually didn't do any monthly resets. It is currently September 6th, so it's actually like a week later from when I first started this video. Honestly, I'm probably gonna start a whole new video, but this video is just, you know, attempt to start my monthly reset. That's what I'm probably gonna name it, or I don't know, something else. But yeah, y'all, right now I'm about to try to apply a wig just because I'm over this black wig. I have this burgundy orange color wig that I had and I absolutely love, so I'm gonna put that on now and I'll record that process so that you can see that. Yeah, that's the plans for today. I'm just gonna do my hair real fast. I actually got my eyelashes done earlier today, so yeah. But yeah, I'm about to get my hair done, or start my hair, and then I'll be back to talk to you guys.
Real hot girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes. Ay, look, bitch, I'm a star, I got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a holler. Bitch, I'm a star, I got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get offended. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to daily. Told him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna holler. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to daily. Told him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this. Ay, bitch, I do rich shit. My money big, big. Ay, walk with a limp. I'm on some pimp shit. Ay, he say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit. I'm in my bag, bitch. I'm on your ass, bitch. I'm in that new shit. You on that last year. Bitch, I do pimp shit. Oh, you on simp shit. Ay, he say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit.
You know how these bitches love me? Why? Cause baby don't give a fuck. What you do? I be fixing the weed while she sucking my dick, pull it out, then I titty fuck. I fuck up from the back and she nasty, killing me. Know how I give it up. I be cool on them, bitch, ain't no pressure. Till I met this little freak, her name Maggie. This little thing here style. Look how she walk, look how she talk, she sexy. I like when they pretty and ghetto. Type of bitch that don't even say hello. And whenever we fuck, she be fucking me back. Put her in the headlock with my elbow. Now she the reverse. Got a bone and dick and ride this shit like a Camaro.
I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this. Ay, bitch, I do rich shit. My money big, big. Ay, walk with a limp. I'm on some pimp shit. Ay, he say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit. I'm in my bag, bitch. I'm on your ass, bitch. I'm in that new shit. You on that last year. Bitch, I do pimp shit. Oh, you on simp shit. Ay, he say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit. Look, I don't be stressing by none of these niggas. When they be talking, I don't even listen. Telling me secrets, I probably forget it. But I'ma tune in when he say he gon' make it. He told him send me a pic cause he miss me. I told him send me a stack if he really. I don't be trusting these tricks, they tricky. Send him a pic of somebody else's titties. I'm a finesse and I'm a fly dresser. Move to the top, throwing flu in my dresser. My bitches hustle, make money together. Your bitches bursting, they flocking together. I can't decide if I want the new Louis. Dapper Daniela, I'm always in Gucci. Yo mama, don't bring your dad to the mall. Cause when he be in there, she know he...
Hey y'all, so this is how my hair is looking. I'm not really feeling it. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I feel like I look like cosplay or like, I don't know, something's not giving. So I am gonna be taking it off because it's just not giving me. And yeah, no. Yeah, so that's that. But while I was doing my hair, I received 3 packages. So I'm going to do a unboxing real quick for these. I know one of them, or probably two of them, is from hair companies. Actually, all three might be from hair companies. I'm so happy because the hair companies are starting to reach out to me, and I've been craving that. Like, I wanted to be a hair influencer for so long, so now that it's coming, it's like, you know. So this one, I'm going to do a video on this, the product, well, the hair. It's a 30-inch, damn my nails, a 30-inch blonde wig, and I'm so excited. I still gotta tone it and stuff, but I've never did a color like this, so I'm real nervous and excited. So I will be doing a maintenance video real soon, and you know, videos for these hair companies and the details and stuff will be probably in my next video. But yeah, it came with a wig cap, but this clearly isn't my color, so I won't be using it. It came with a pink edge brush, and then a wig band. Super excited. And then it also came with a little bag to carry everything in. This is so cute. So that's the first box. I still have like a couple of more clothing. This one is from an Amazon company that I think I'm in basket for this one. Yep. So they sent me a highlighted, I'm probably gonna put this in my hair. So being that I don't like this, I'm going to put this on probably tonight. I'm probably gonna straighten my hair, get in the shower, wash my hair, straighten it, and put these clip-ins in. Now these clip-ins are highlighted clip-ins. This one I'm going to put in the description box down below so that you guys could go and get it yourselves. This brand wanted me to do a TikTok with them, so you know, it doesn't have to go on YouTube. The other companies, they want me to do a YouTube video, so that the hair link will be like in a whole separate video by itself, also in my maintenance video too, so y'all could get it from either or video. But this one is mainly just for TikTok and Instagram. I'm so excited for this because even though I said I wasn't putting heat in my hair, baby girl, the way this wig came out, I'm literally doing it. So what is this? Hair extension conditioner. So it comes with this and extra clip-ins. Wow. Okay. I forgot what the name of this is called. I'll put it on the screen. But let's see what these are hitting for. Now my hair is light. What is this? I don't know what these things are, but okay, bet. So these are the highlights. These are super cute, like, and they're so soft. I'm probably gonna blend them with the other clip-ins I have. It comes with, it's like a thick, you know, thing, so you just clip it on and go. I love this. I've been saying I wanted to get my highlights back, so this right now is like singing to my freaking heart. And it got clip-in conditioner, like what? Okay, let's see this. Now I don't know if this is extra clip-ins or is it just, oh, it's extra clip-ins. I got this in an 18-inch. So it's gonna be pretty freaking long. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this, y'all. Like, are y'all seeing this? So freaking cute. So I'm definitely going to be putting these in. I have to record a TikTok video for it. So I'm probably gonna actually make the video tomorrow but straighten my hair today because I do have a lot of running around to do. So yeah, but the hair link is down below. Like, go and get y'all this, because this, watch when I put it in. But yeah, y'all, ooh, I got one more package. Baby girl, baby girl, baby girl. I hope it's the hair company. I also have clothes, like I said, coming. I also have clothes coming, so I don't know if it's that. Oh, I have one more package, y'all. Oh, this box. Y'all. We got the Alley Pearl wig. Now, this is a 22-inch. HD lace wig from Alley Pearl. My girl, Alley. Oh, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. I have to do a whole video on this. So do y'all see that? Like, already pre-plucked. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna make a video on this because that's what they require me to do. So I will see you guys in that video, and I'll give you the details and my true honest review on it. Ooh, I already opened this package, but I'm gonna open it again. I got this also probably like a day ago, but I wasn't home. So this is a cooler bag. I have to do a TikTok video on it. This is like so convenient. Like when we go to like the beach and stuff, I gotta get one more beach day out, because if y'all know, New York is super freaking hot right now, and it's September. Like, it was 97 degrees today and it's September, so most definitely gotta get one more beach day out. But yeah, this is perfect. It's like a cooler backpack and so super duper convenient. I will put the link to this in the description also, so if you guys want to get this cute bag, and it's so like roomy, it has like so much room. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it unbuttons so that unbuckles so that you guys could fit more in it. But it's so convenient. Yeah, y'all. But yeah, y'all, this will be the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be posting again this week coming. So I need for you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. I will put the links of everything down below. And again, I'm so grateful for you guys, and thank you for watching me. I'll see you guys in my next video.
Tell him I need my bitch, she a rider. I got a shooter and I got a driver.